Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a couple tips and tricks on how to get better with piece control on like in any situations. And basically this is my example right here, this guy. And basically I'm just going to show you guys, like I said, some tips and tricks on how to get better with piece control. And this should help you finish fights a lot faster than usual, and you don't have to get in build fights like crazy. So basically, if you don't know what piece control is already, it's basically when you, like, let's say there's an opponent. I'm just going to use him as an example. He's like standing still, and basically it's when you like trap them. As you can see, he's in a cone right now, but basically you trap them in a box like this. And let's say he is in a cone. Basically what I would do is place a floor, and then I would edit this, and then you'd pump him right in the face. But I'm just gonna get him out of here right now. Basically, I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of tips and tricks. And also, before we do get in this video, I have a Discord. I think it's linked in the description. I'll probably link my Twitch in the description too, because I've been having a lot of fun streaming any games on there instead of just Fortnite. So if you guys want to see like extra content and like other than tutorials and to see me stream, then make sure to check me out on twitch.tv. And I don't know why I said twitch.tv. I should have said Twitch. But my name is Breckenofficial1. And basically, yeah, let's just get right into this video. Alright, so if you guys can hear my PC in the background, it's being stupidly loud right now, and hopefully I can get it fixed out soon. But anyway, I'm just going to show you guys this first clip by Bugha, and I don't have a test dummy right now because it's AFK, but sorry about like the bad quality in the video. I literally just got it from YouTube, like a clip of Bugha doing like a piece control clip, and that's pretty much what I'm going to do for like a couple of these clips, and show you guys basically how to do it in like a breakdown thing. So I'm just going to show you guys the clip right now. And this is how you do it. So basically, as you saw, the opponent was in his own box right here. He was boxed up like pretty much like this. There's no cone in there, which the opponent messed up on. If you wanted to survive there, I would place a cone and I would go in it, or at least stay on top of it and behind it. But always have a cone in your box to counter the piece control, because like if not, someone can place a cone in your box so easy. And basically this is what the opponent's perspective was. I can't really do the opponent's perspective, but basically this is what Bugha did. So he went through here, there was like a wall right here, and the opponent was healing using mini shields right here, and he basically broke in. Okay, now I have a test dummies here. So alright, so basically he literally just jumped in his box. So he got one hit, as you can see, and then he jumped in at the right time, placed the cone, and pumped him in the head. And of course the opponent was low, so it was a one pump, and that's pretty much how he executed that kill. It's literally all you do, and someone's healing in their box, just make sure to always jump in it and phase through, and as soon as you jump in it, make sure to place a cone so you have the control after that. So we're just gonna jump in, place a cone, and even if you want to, you can do this. So underneath it, you can add it back, and you can, like, you know, get that position shot. And that's it for the first clip, and now we're gonna move on to tip number 2. Alright, so this next clip is from Slight. He's recently blown up. He's like a really good controller player, and basically he's like insane at piece control. I'm gonna try and master this one. It's pretty complicated, so I'll try and do it as best I can, and I'll try like explain it as best I can. So basically Slight was up here and the opponent was right here, and basically the opponent had a floor right here. So basically there was a floor right there, and Slight actually had control of this wall, so we edited a window. So Slight pretty much had a wall right here, or a floor right here, and the opponent had a floor right here. So he placed a wall, and the opponent had a wall right there, and then Slight placed a cone and 2 walls and another cone, and he pumped him. I can't really do that right now because his HP is low. And the opponent's his like natural instinct, like he got like that out, and Slight placed those, and then pumped him. He placed the cone, and wall. And that basically like gives him all control of everything around him. You can even place like a wall right here if you want, like extra control if you think the opponent's gonna play something. But you can even like block that off like that, do some like fancy stuff. But basically that's pretty much how you do it. I'll try and do it like another like faster way really quick. Okay, so that was like a decent example. That wasn't the greatest. I haven't like mastered that trick yet, you know. But basically that's like an example. I'm not gonna, like I said, I just tried my best at it. But anyway, we're just gonna be moving into tip number 3, and I think we'll do like 3 or 4 in this video, so it should be a very quick video. And moving on to tip number 3. For this next tip, this is probably the final one. This is like everybody uses this one really as like all the like opportunity if you get the chance. So basically what this is yeah, I know that I recently said that there was gonna be a clip, but there's no clip for this one. Basically when you like match up like this and like I don't know how to explain it, But when you're like connected like this, basically what we're gonna do, like if you run up here right now, the opponent will get trapped in here. Okay, if I could do this correctly, the opponent will get like, basically if they're running right now, you're gonna want to place this at the right time, and then you're gonna want to place these two right here so you're out of sight, you can't get shot at. And if they start to run at you, you could either hit them for the pump when they start to run at you and get that angle, or you can place a wall and place another floor and edit these, or you can like go down here, edit that, and like you can do like all sorts of stuff. You can bait them out, you can pretend that you're gonna place a floor there, come down here and edit that, but instead you could like do that and then come down here and then pump them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna like show you guys another like little tip to get better at piece control, I guess. So we'll move right on to that, and that's gonna be like the final tip on how to get better at piece control. Alright, so another thing you can do to get better at piece control is like you can just build a box yourself, and you can like stand on the cone or something like that. You can like break into it. You can place a cone in there, edit that, act like you're shooting at someone. If I could act like you're shooting at someone, and reset that, boom, boom, and then shoot. Like just act like you're doing it. Like it just gives you like the muscle memory, so it's not really like too complicated for you anymore. Like this, for example, like if that guy's coming up to me, I automatically know to place that cone, and then I place that like these two walls, come around, pump them. Like it just becomes muscle memory at some point. So basically, you just want to practice that a lot, and you can even like practice in Zone Wars. That's a really good place to practice. It is very sweaty in Zone Wars, but playing against sweatier people gets you better at this game. I'm not gonna lie, I've learned that from experience. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see like more piece control tips, I definitely need to get better at it, so you probably won't want to see more. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe and follow my Twitch because I like streaming. And we will see you in the next one. Peace out.